Hey friends, it's Jenna Urban from The Urban Life, and today we're gonna make ranch water. A ranch water cocktail comes together with tequila, lime juice, and Topo Chico. So it's a beautiful evening here tonight in Dallas, Texas, but let me tell you, it is hot. It is like 90 degrees or hotter, and one of the best ways to cool off is with a refreshing ranch water cocktail. So let me take you in my kitchen and show you exactly how I make it and how you can too. All right, so we're gonna start off with our tequila. We're gonna do 3 ounces of silver tequila. I love this jigger because it has a 2 ounce and 1 ounce. I don't know, it just makes making cocktails maybe a little bit easier. Next, we're gonna do fresh lime juice. You want 1.5 ounces. And honestly, I'm just gonna do this full lime because I like mine a little bit limey. So feel free to actually measure yours out, or just, you know how you like your cocktails. If you prefer them with a little bit less, a little bit more, just make them according to how you like them. And then to finish off the classic ranch water cocktail, we are just gonna top with Topo Chico. Grab your straw, give it a stir. I hope you enjoy my super simple ranch water cocktail recipe. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Check out my blog, theurbanlife.com, and follow me on Instagram at theurbanlife. Cheers!